G'day everybody, it's Woz here, and today I'm at Thornland Skatepark, and I'm here to share my thoughts and opinions on how to perform the backside Feeble stall to fakie. Some tricks that you'll need to know beforehand before attempting this trick are the rock to fakie, the backside Feeble stall, and a trick that I like to call the nightmare. This is where you roll up the transition of the ramp and perform a small manual, not allowing your front trucks to get caught up on the coping of the ramp. Like any skateboarding trick, you will want to have your feet in the correct position. I prefer to have my leading foot centered over the front deck bolts and my back foot centered over the tail in a comfortable position. The secret to this trick is all about your body weight positioning inside the transition of the ramp when you perform the Feeble stall. Roll up the transition of the ramp and perform a backside Feeble stall. Keep the majority of your body weight inside the transition of the ramp. Push forward with your leading foot to allow your skateboard to lock into the Feeble stall position. Another thing to remember is to keep your shoulders squared to the coping. This will help you when you re-enter the ramp in the fakie position. When it is time to re-enter the ramp, allow your upper body weight to fall back into the transition of the ramp. At the same time, push down on the tail of your skateboard, which will allow your front trucks and wheels to clear the coping of the ramp. At this point, on the re-entry into the ramp, the trick called the nightmare comes into practice. As you re-enter the transition of the ramp, evenly distribute your body weight and roll away. If you followed these steps correctly, you should be now on your way to performing the backside Feeble stall to fakie. If there are any tricks that you would like me to cover in the next video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like or a share. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. With your ongoing support, we can grow our community and this channel. I truly appreciate your time today, and I'll see you in the next video.